If you're an Android enthusiast or simply a smartphone lover, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to be one of the most thrilling releases of 2025. With the launch possibly just months away, we're seeing more leaks than ever. Sources close to Samsung have hinted at a new and even larger display for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, boasting a hopping 6.9-inch screen, rumored to use the M13 panel. This panel may lack the durability and efficiency of Apple's latest displays, but Samsung is making up for it with incredibly slim bezels, making for a sleek and more immersive experience. Expect a taller and slimmer frame as well, so it might just feel like you're holding a futuristic powerhouse, not just a phone. And as Samsung inches toward a possible rebranding of the Galaxy series, this may very well be the last Galaxy Ultra under that name. Wouldn't you want to own the final Galaxy Ultra before Samsung ushers in a new era? Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Samsung is betting on the newly developed Snapdragon 8 Elite processor for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a chipset rumored to surpass even Apple's 18 Pro. Qualcomm has reportedly taken things up a notch with this one, particularly when it comes to AI performance and gaming capabilities. Whether you're a fan of intense gaming or rely on AI features daily, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could give you the smooth, responsive experience you crave. This might also mean we're in for a price bump due to the chipset upgrade, with the Snapdragon 8 Elite possibly adding around $40 to the overall manufacturing cost. Samsung might absorb some of this, but brace yourselves. Flagship specs often mean flagship prices. Now the camera, arguably one of the most exciting parts of any Ultra model, is expected to see some notable upgrades. We're talking about a potential 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a substantial increase from the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 12-megapixel option. This addition alone could give you crystal clear, expansive shots perfect for landscape and group photos. The primary 200-megapixel sensor will remain a centerpiece, and it's likely to capture stunning, detailed images that could rival professional cameras. Design-wise, it's all about refinement. Samsung seems to be sticking with a titanium frame, but this time around, it's a little slimmer and more rounded at the edges, which could make it more comfortable in hand. And let's not forget the rumored colors: titanium black, blue, and green, alongside online exclusives. Samsung has always provided some unique colors, so we might see new shades that reflect the Ultra's premium positioning. For anyone who loves the look and feel of a luxury phone, this design could make the Galaxy S25 Ultra a top choice. And if you're a fan of the S Pen, good news. It's still here, adding that unmatched functionality that Note fans have adored for years. Battery life and charging are crucial, especially when you're dealing with such a high-powered device. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to keep the same 5,000 mAh battery, a solid choice for an all-day device. Paired with the energy-efficient Snapdragon 8 Elite, we might see battery life improvements despite all the high-powered features. For charging, it's likely to stick to 45W for wired and K2 for wireless, so you'll be able to power up in no time even if Samsung isn't breaking new ground in this area. For heavy users, this means you're covered throughout the day without feeling tethered to a charger. Software is where Samsung is really upping its game. With One UI 7 based on Android 15, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come packed with some clever new AI features right out of the box. From automating routine tasks to enhancing your user experience with intelligent suggestions, One UI 7 is expected to make the Galaxy S25 Ultra feel more intuitive and responsive. And Samsung's commitment to a 7-year software support plan means you're looking at a phone that stays relevant and updated well into the 2030s. As we count down to January, the excitement for the Galaxy S25 Ultra only grows. Samsung is blending power, precision, and premium features into what could be the ultimate Android experience. Will this phone live up to the hype? Be sure to stay tuned to find out. Hit that like button, subscribe for the latest in tech, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.